Welcome, in front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will bring up a message of all the things that we'll remove, including your Google accounts, system and app data, and so on. So if there's anything from the list that you don't want to get rid of, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, you can just progress further by selecting Erase All Data. Do that once more, and this will begin factory resetting our device right now. Now it will take about a minute to 3 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone, or tablet in this case, however you like. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.